fitment poppy. What do you think about my wheels?
I think it's fire.
What do you think about the wheels?
I like them a lot.
Matches the car perfectly.
This is what separates us from everybody else.
This is like the ultimate street car.
This just has the vision of like all-wheel drive.
What do you guys think?
Imagine this, just hear me out. You got all-wheel drive car, you got all-wheel drive car. Where's my all-wheel drive?
Fitment poppy, right?
Bro, I'm screaming fitment poppy.
We go to a couple car shows and now he's all cambered out. I don't even know who he is anymore.
Whoever guesses the offset, the size and offset of the wheels, I'll give you 50 bucks.
Tires included.
Back from Honda Day. I actually put the car on the ground today, but I'm not gonna show you guys the wheels yet. I'm just gonna give you guys a little teaser. The wheels are right there. What do you think about the wheels?
I like them a lot. Probably one of my favorite set yet.
We got the carbon lip on, we just installed. Jared just finished trimming the bumper up. We kept the grill in the middle. We don't really like to, to cut the whole grill out of the bumper. Just kind of want to give it like a nice look to it. Nice fit, maybe you guys can see. Check out this manifold.
Makes a big pop.
Yeah, it's the same manifold I got on my all-wheel drive car. Super nice manifold, nice billet, machined nicely. Still gotta put the injectors in. A lot of stuff left. The brake lines are on. They're inside. Got a nice little bracket to kind of hold them together. Dude, what's your favorite part about the build?
Everything.
Everything?
Everything.
But if you had to pick one, like, what's your favorite?
The wheels.
The wheels? What about you?
I think overall just the color scheme with everything, like it just hits different.
It's finally coming together. Like you can see, like you see the orange, right? The carbon kind of breaks up the color a little bit, and between like the black, the silver, and the orange, everything just flows perfectly. I don't think it's just like too much of like one color. Like everything just goes together really, really well.
I think this build's gonna be done for Halloween.
Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna put the wheels on now. I'm gonna set it on the ground. I'm just gonna give you guys a view from the front and the back of the fitment, and that's all you guys are getting.
Why are you even teasing them? Just show them the wheels.
I want them to drop in the comments below, fitment poppy.
So if they call you fitment poppy, you're gonna tell them the wheel setup?
Yes.
All you guys better scream fitment poppy right now. It's stuck on the lift.
Bro.
Gang gang.
Camber gang.
Camber gang.
This front end, I don't know if you guys can check this, but
You see what happens to him, man? We go to a couple car shows and now he's all cambered out. I don't even know who he is anymore.
this is like the ultimate street car. And then for the guy that said in the comments, it can make 700. Yeah, we know it can make 800, but that's not the point of this car is streetable. Streetable, 500 reliability, 500 safe. It's gonna be a safe 500 horsepower.
Who has 700 horsepower on street tires on a front wheel drive car? That's not even fun.
That's what I'm saying.
You guys are gonna see when we go for a ride, even 500 horsepower.
Way too much.
This car got LSD. It's gonna spin every gear. You guys are gonna see that once we take it for a ride.
Maybe when I drive it, they'll see it. Were you driving it though?
Don't even start. Drop in the comment, how do you guys feel about the billet? You think we should have went with a black manifold? I kind of like the billet in here.
Let me see. Let me show them another teaser real
I
quick.
can't. Just show them the wheels.
No. This is all you guys are gonna get right here.
No, just.
Watch
That's fucked up.
That's
right
pretty messed
there.
up.
That is it.
Yeah.
That's all you guys are getting.
Is that like giving them the tip?
But your tip is the whole thing. And then here is the back.
What if I called you Fitment Poppy on camera? It's like the same thing.
You already know I am, though.
I'll scream Fitment Poppy.
You already know I
100
am.
times.
You already know I am. Look, check this out.
Just show them the wheels. Just show them the wheels.
No.
Can we just make my car all-wheel drive, please?
We could do whatever you want. Your all-wheel drive would be insane.
This fitment too?
Alright, so on my street car, you guys see the dual overhead badge on the side? How do you guys feel if we did this decal in black and put it on the orange hat? I think it'll look good. Obviously they come gray, but I think
Maybe
black.
silver.
No, I think black.
No, I think that'll look good.
Black, because you guys doing the Honda badges in black. What do you guys think? Do you guys think? I think that in black on our car would look fire. Well, drop in the comment. What do you guys think?
Fitment Poppy, right?
Bro, I'm screaming Fitment Poppy. Just show them the wheels.
Why are these tires still brand new?
Yo,
You don't use
he did a race.
He doesn't fucking drive.
Stay tuned for this car. We're gonna be giving it away real soon. I'm still working on the merch. We're gonna go this week. We're gonna get that all buttoned up. So
Bro, I'm screaming Fitment Poppy. Just show them the wheels.
I'm gonna keep teasing them for a little bit more.
That's not even.
You're gonna
You know what? You know why? You know why I'm waiting? Because I want to show them the caliper on the car with the tie bar in the back. So I want everything to tie in so you guys can see my vision, and I'm going to show you guys the whole thing.
Yeah, but they could see the wheels right now.
They want to see it come together, not just.
Boom, here it's done. Caliper's all set. They about to scream fitment, Poppy. I promise you.
So what do you think about my wheels?
I think it's fire. Matches the car perfectly.
You think who has a better wheel choice, me or Mahmoud?
You all day. Mood doesn't know how to pick anything in life. Have you seen that white car you bought?
So what type R?
Yeah, let's just go back to
You
that.
gonna start talking shit now?
Yeah.
That's
Damn.
crazy.
Don't leave him in charge of anything.
I'll give you guys one last
look at nothing.
woo.
That's not even right.
You're probably gonna get bashed for this.
I hope they bash you in the comments.
I just want.
I really hope they bash
I
you.
would never do this to you.
You just agreed with him 2 seconds ago.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you're like bipolar. Like one time you agree with him, then you agree with me, and then I want to say 90% of the comments are right.
What?
90% of the comments that the people left about the wheel choice are right.
Because I broke it down for them.
They were right.
No, they started becoming right when I said 4x114 because they know that there's not much wheel options for 4x114.
Motegis.
Yeah, they do. Because they make it for Honda Accords, which you can put on here.
I really wish I could show you guys the wheel setup. This is so far how far the cars came along. Car just looks so good with the SIR headlights. Car's gonna be just insane when it's all finished. So this is where I wanted to put the dual overhead stickers. I think it'll look good with all the black accents. But either way, let me know in the comments. I only say that because he has the black Civic Si emblem and he's gonna put a black Honda badge up there. That's why I say that. Let me know how you guys feel about the manifold. But hoping I can show you the wheels in the next clip. He gives me the okay, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. What up guys, I'm not sure where we left off at last video or last clip, but I convinced my brother to show you guys the wheels. And before I even get into it, I just want to say that this wheel option is the most commented on every post. I think you guys kind of know us by now. So this wheel option is the best option in our opinion that would fit this car.
And the wheels aren't white. I feel like it would look like a creamsicle if it was white.
Don't be disrespectful. That's my hero. Right? But I appreciate you putting these wheels for me. I really love my car. Thank you.
Keep pointing the camera over here. I know they're anxious. They want to see this.
Spoon wheels. What are the offset on this? Do you know them or no? Check that.
Tell them to guess.
Check that fitment.
You guys guess in the comments. Whoever guesses the offset, the size and offset of the wheels, I'll give you 50 bucks.
Full spec on the wheels.
Yes.
50 bucks. Tires included.
DM me, I'll give you $25, or give me $25. I'll send you the specs. Well, I'll give you guys a quick walk around the car. Spoon wheels look so good. You guys like the Glizzy Gang plate that I made? Fire. It matches the car really good. The car, we didn't set camber or ride height, so it's still on the lift. It's pretty much tucking in the front, but this isn't the set ride height. We're gonna adjust it on the alignment rack. It's looking really good. It's looking like a car. I know last time you guys seen it, the turbo manifold wasn't on. Turbo manifold came back from powder coat. We got the Gato on, TPS, stuff like that stuff. That's why it looks more complete. Engine harness, shift box. But I kind of let J-Rock walk you guys through
My build.
everything that's on here right now is kind of where it's gonna stay. We're still waiting for a bunch of parts, powder coat. Little by little it's coming together. Then the interior is gonna be the last part of this, but we're gonna try to get it started up maybe in the next video or the video after that. But we're still far away from there.
Ain't that far? I promise I'll have it run the next video.
Don't say that.
I promise you. I know where the car's at right now. We need like 2 lines and it'll start. We need the feed and the return and the car's good to fire. I'm not saying it's 100% done.
We're missing some coolant, we're missing some
You don't need
piping.
that to start. We're talking about starting only.
Drop in the comments, tell Jack don't half-ass it. Just put it all together and we'll start it up one shot.
The plumbing is what takes the longest. We did brake lines and full fuel system on it, including fuel pump and a couple other things. We got the shift box and cables in finally. I want to show them something too, because this is what separates us from everybody else. Because I know for a fact that people don't do this. 100%.
I don't even
There's
know.
the little things that, like, you know, cool, turbo, clean, everything like that, but it's the little things. But you got the brackets that hold the quarter panel. Plastics.
The brackets?
They're powder coated.
Oh, so you guys powder coated the interior
Everything.
parts too.
Everything.
That's so dope.
Nobody will ever see that, but we know that it's done, and that's what's important to us, you know? Even though, you know, because everybody builds a car like, it's covered up, nobody's gonna see it. No, we don't do that here.
This thing looks good. When the interior's all, well, we don't even know what we're doing there yet, but shift box, undercar is in there. Let me show you guys this. This
That's
looks
a brand new prop valve.
Prop valve, engine harness ran underneath, AM Infinity mounted on the side. It might start up.
It's gonna start up. I promise you it'll start up next video.
This thing looks really good. It might start up next video.
All right, so there's one line left from plumbing. We mounted the regulator over here.
That thing is tucked.
This is kind of just sitting because we're still waiting for the sensor.
Sorry if the camera can't pick it up because it's down there on the bottom, but the fuel pressure regulator is down there. So waiting on one more line.
Yep, from the regulator to the fuel rail here, just the return line, and the fuel system's complete after that.
What do you guys think? You guys like it? Do you guys think it's too much billet? Would you guys have went with black? I honestly I think with the turbo here, piping, all connected, it's gonna look really, really good.
Yeah, we're still waiting for the cold side to get coated. So once that's done, it's pretty much gonna be complete. It's gonna look good.
This is like a replica to my car.
This car is better than your car.
Hey, you know what we should do?
Because J-Rock built it.
All-wheel drive. This just has the vision of like all-wheel drive.
Don't even get into that. We just built.
It's just like meaty, pause. It's just
no.
This car reminds me of
imagine this. Just hear me out. An orange pumpkin under the diff. Like how amazing would that look?
I'm just gonna hear all-wheel drive in the rest of the comments for the rest of the build. I think front-wheel drive would look good. Yeah, give Jack what he wants. I can see the back quarter panels getting torn up with tire rubber and all that shit. I don't want none of that.
You got all-wheel drive car. You got all-wheel drive car. Where's my all-wheel drive car?
All right, boys, so this is pretty much, the build's gonna go to a standstill after today because we have a bunch of other builds going on, which I'm gonna get for you guys. But I'm just gonna accumulate a lot more parts to make a good video out of it. I think the car looks amazing as it sits. Waiting for a few more parts to look more complete. We'll try to get the first startup in the next video. But other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.
Before we end this video, I want you guys comment below the wheel specs, right? To win 50 bucks. And also guess what calipers are going on here and what color they're gonna be. For another 50 bucks.
And comment J-Rock wants all-wheel drive.
You know those comments are gonna blow up.
So I'll see you guys later.